Imagine a world where robots understand and interact with their environment like humans. Physical AI is reshaping workplace automation, combining AI reasoning with robotic hardware to revolutionize industries. This video is brought to you by Business Compass LLC. We are an Amazon Web Services Advanced Consulting Partner and Well Architect Partner. We have certification distinction. We build and migrate workloads to Amazon Cloud. We are partners with Azure, Google Cloud, Databricks, Snowflake, Salesforce.com, Trend Micro, and Prevail. We specialize in data and analytics, AI and ML, GenAI, web, and app development. Our AI offering is AI for You. Check out a4u.cloud. We provide wide range of natural language processing, or NLP services, infused with GenA1 for language and document to offer multimodal capabilities. We have Concept to Code, offering to translate ideas to products fast. See concept2code.ai. Our website is BusinessCompassLLC.com. Our phone numbers are 973-638 and 2228. Our email address is contact@businesscompassllc.us. These robots are not just machines, they are intelligent collaborators. By integrating AI with robotics, they can adapt and learn, making them game changers for various sectors. Physical AI offers cognitive flexibility, unlike traditional automation. These robots can analyze situations and make decisions, bridging the gap between digital intelligence and physical action. Large language models enable these robots to understand and execute complex tasks, setting them apart from conventional systems. They engage in natural conversations, enhancing human-robot interaction. LLM-powered robots integrate natural language processing with robotics, allowing them to understand and respond to verbal instructions. This capability transforms how they operate in real time. These robots use computer vision and sensor fusion to navigate and adapt to their environment. They learn continuously, improving their decision-making and adaptability. Physical AI is revolutionizing industries like manufacturing, healthcare, and logistics. These robots perform tasks with precision and adaptability, enhancing productivity and efficiency. Real-world examples show AI robots in action, from assembly lines to patient care. Their dynamic learning capabilities make them invaluable in diverse settings. Robots reduce human error and increase operational efficiency. Their 24/7 availability ensures consistent performance, leading to significant cost savings through automated repetitive tasks. By handling mundane tasks, these robots free up human workers for more strategic roles, enhancing overall workplace productivity and innovation. Safety concerns and regulatory compliance are major challenges for physical AI. Companies must navigate complex regulations to ensure safe human-robot collaboration. Technical limitations and integration complexities with existing systems pose hurdles. However, overcoming these challenges is crucial for successful implementation. Emerging job roles in robot management and maintenance are reshaping the workforce. Skills retraining programs help displaced workers transition into new opportunities. Collaborative robotics enhance human capabilities, allowing workers to focus on creative problem-solving, while robots handle routine tasks. Thoughtful integration of physical AI is essential. By enhancing human capabilities rather than replacing them, we can create a future where intelligent machines work alongside us. The future of work involves collaboration with intelligent machines. Embracing this change will lead to innovative solutions and a more efficient workforce. Recap. We've explored how physical AI is transforming industries, boosting productivity, and creating new job roles. By integrating these technologies thoughtfully, we can enhance human capabilities. Takeaway: by embracing physical AI, you'll unlock new opportunities for innovation and efficiency in your organization, paving the way for a collaborative future. Call to action. Start exploring how physical AI can benefit your business. Identify tasks that could be automated and invest in training programs to prepare your workforce for the future. Join the robotic revolution today. Together, we can create a future where humans and intelligent machines work hand in hand for a better tomorrow.